Welcome to Let's Discover It. This is Arya and today we will cover about fill in the blanks and chapter 2 question answers. Okay. इससे पहले हम लोगों ने what you have learned और कि what you have learned कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं. अब हम क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं और इसके बाद हम कीवर्ड्स कंप्लीट करेंगे. ठीक है. तो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स कैन बी सीन विद द हेल्प ऑफ माइक्रोस्कोप. ओके. The first is your microscope, your correct answer. Second is blue-green algae fix nitrogen directly from the air to enhance the soil fertility. Alcohol is produced with the help of yeast. Okay. Cholera is caused by caused होता है हमारा बैक्टीरिया से. Okay. So come to second question is tick the correct. Yeast is used in the production of alcohol. Okay. The following is an antibiotic. Streptomycin is a name of antibiotics. Carrier of malaria causing protozoan is female Anopheles mosquitoes. The most common carrier of communicable disease is housefly. The breed of idli dough rises because of growth of yeast cell. The process of converting of sugar into alcohol is called fermentation. Here's the match the following. So you can see here bacteria is causing cholera, rhizobium fixing nitrogen, lactobacillus setting of curd, yeast I should think yeast is in 4 numbers. So 4C baking of bread, a protozoa is a protozoa D causing malaria, and the 6 number is F causing AIDS, a virus causing AIDS also. This is your match the following answer. Question number 4 is that can microorganisms can be seen with the naked eyes? If not, how they can be seen? The microorganisms cannot be seen with our naked eyes because they are very small in size. Some of these, such as fungus growing on bread, can be seen with a magnifying glass. Other cannot be seen without the help of microscope. Question number 5. Write the major group of microorganisms. Bacteria, fungi, protozoa and some algae are the major microorganism. Name of microorganism which can fix atmospheric nitrogen to the soil. Rhizobium. And the two microorganisms are able to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to soil. Write 10 lines on the usefulness of microorganism. Microorganisms are useful to us in many ways. For example, bacteria, also lactobacillus, convert milk into curd. Bacteria are also involved in making of cheese. Acetobacter acetic is used for production acetic acid from alcohol. Yeast is used in the commercial production of alcohol and wine and bakery product also. Some specific microorganisms are helpful in manufacturing of antibiotics. Microorganisms act as cleaning agent and decompose the waste product into manure. Dead or weak microbes are used in the preparation of vaccine. Some bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen and increase soil fertility. Algae, yeast, fungi, or bacteria may be used as an ingredient of a substitute of protein-rich food that are suitable for human and animal consumption. Some microorganisms are taken as probiotics that are believed to provide health benefits when consumed. Question number 8. Write a small paragraph on harm caused by microbes. Microorganisms are harmful to us in many ways. For example, microorganisms called pathogen cause disease in human, plant and animal. Pathogens or germs enter a healthy body through air, water, contaminated food and infected person by direct or indirect contact or by the carrier. Common elements like cold, influenza, cough, polio, chickenpox are caused by virus. Foot and mouth disease in the cattle are also caused by viruses. Typhoid tuberculosis are caused by bacteria. Anthrax is dangerous disease. Dangerous human and cattle disease is also caused by bacteria. Okay, this is very important. Disease like dysentery and malaria caused by protozoa, ringworm is caused by fungi, several microbes cause disease in plant and thus reduce the yield. Citrus canker, a bacterial disease, affects trees of citrus fruit and is spread by air. Bindi yellow vein mosaic disease is caused by virus and is spread by insect in ladyfinger. Rust of wheat is a fungal disease spread through air. Microorganisms that grow on our food sometimes produce toxic acid. These make the food poisonous, causing serious illness and even death. This food-borne illness is called food poisoning. Question number 9 is used to say that what are antibiotics? What precaution must be taken while taking antibiotics? Antibiotics are medicine which kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms. They are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms. They are used to cure a variety of disease. It is important to take antibiotics only on the advice of a qualified doctor. One must finish the course prescribed by the doctor to make the drug more effective. Antibiotics must not be taken unnecessarily because it may kill beneficial bacteria also. Antibiotics are, however, not effective against cold and flu as they are caused by virus. Okay, so our this video is completed. If you like, then tap the like button, do subscribe my channel and share with your friend also, and tap the bell icon to get my video notification. Thank you from this side, Arya Singh. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.